Hey guys, it's the Question Guy, and today we're doing a quick little lesson on factoring. So I've chosen two questions, question 27 and 29, out of a document that I have. And yeah, we're gonna do these two questions. I picked these out of a random number generator, so when I do these, it's gonna be two questions out of a random number generator. So let's get right onto it. N squared times n minus 2 minus n times 2 minus m. So first, we want this and this to be equal, right? Let me make these lines better. This and this to be equal, right? So how do we do that? Well, think about it. Let's just take 2 minus m. And then let's multiply by -1. Okay? Now, if we do that, that will become m minus 2. Right? We haven't changed anything. All we have done is we've switched it. It doesn't change anything. 2 minus m is -m minus 2. So here, what we are doing is we're taking this -n and multiplying by -1. So that would just give us n squared m minus 2 plus n m minus 2. Now, m minus 2 is a common term, so what we will do is we will multiply, do this. Okay, let me redo that. Let's bring it down here so we have more space. Wait, let me move that more down. So we move that down just to give us more space. Remember, these are all equal to each other. So this is equal to n squared plus n m minus 2. And then we're not done. This can also be factored because we can take out the n and then make it n plus 1 and then m minus 2. Now let's make sure we got the answer right. So let's do it this way. Open this, that's equal to n, and no, actually, the best way to do it is to go back what we just did, and see if we got the same answer, because that usually works. So n plus 1, that's n squared plus n m minus 2. And then if we were to expand this, but make this, for example, a term y, so if, for example, n minus 2 is equal to y, I make this n squared plus n y, that'd be y n squared plus n. And if we take that out, that's n squared m minus 2 plus n plus n 2 minus m, which is, remember, in our case, -y. So we would have to do times y times -1. That's what it is, right? Then we get our -m and we get the y the same. And yeah, that is what we do. So that is what we have. So for the second one, this one is probably even easier. We take out the 3 and the x, because this all can be divided by 3x. So we have 3x, x squared plus 4x plus 4. And look at that. This is already easily factored. X plus 2 squared. X plus 2 squared, we can take that out. It's x squared plus 4x plus 12. No, 12, sorry. 4, 3x squared cubed plus 12x squared plus 12x. There you go. And that's the answer to these questions. Thank you for listening to another episode of The Question Guy, and I hope you learned something today.